change everything. And the avocado would almost not survive it. About 10,000 years ago, something terrible happened. The great animals began to disappear, one by one. The giant ground sloths were gone. The mastodons were gone. The gomphothere was gone. Scientists are not completely sure why. Perhaps the climate changed. Perhaps early humans hunted them. Perhaps both things happened together. But the result was clear. These enormous animals, the animals that had carried avocado seeds across the land for thousands of years, they were all gone now. And the avocado was in trouble. Think about it for a moment. The avocado seed is very large, much larger than most fruit seeds. Most small animals cannot swallow it. Most birds cannot carry it. Without the giant animals, the avocado seed had almost nowhere to go. It fell from the tree. It landed on the ground. And it stayed there, very close to its parent tree. New trees could not grow far away. The avocado could not spread across the land anymore. Slowly, very slowly, the avocado forests began to shrink. The fruit that had lived on this earth for millions of years was now, quietly, moving toward the end of its story. But nature and people sometimes have other plans. And deep in the forests of what we now call Mexico and Central America, something important was beginning. A new kind of partnership was forming, one that would save this ancient fruit. And it began not with a scientist or a farmer, but with ordinary people who were simply hungry. The people of ancient Mesoamerica, the Maya, the Aztecs, and others before them, they found the avocado. Perhaps they found it by chance. Perhaps they noticed animals eating it. Perhaps they were simply exploring the forests, following the paths of nature. And one day, they tasted something soft, rich, and delicious. We do not know the exact moment, but we know that they loved it. They called it ahuacatl in the Nahuatl language, the language of the Aztecs. And slowly, carefully, they began to do something very important. They planted it. They carried the seeds from place to place. They grew the trees near their homes and in their gardens. They chose the best trees, the ones with the biggest, richest fruit. And they planted those seeds again and again. This process is called cultivation, and it is one of the most important things humans have ever done for the natural world. These people did not know they were saving a fruit that was nearly extinct. They did not think about ancient animals or great extinctions. They simply saw something good, something nourishing, and they took care of it. Over hundreds of years, the avocado changed. It grew bigger. Its seed became smaller. Its skin became smoother. The avocado that these ancient people carefully grew slowly became the fruit we know today. It was a quiet act of love, and because of it, the avocado survived. Then came the year 1519. Spanish explorers arrived in Mexico. They had crossed the ocean from Europe, looking for gold, for spices, and for new lands. They found many things they did not expect, and among those things, they found the avocado. A Spanish explorer named Martín Fernández de Enciso wrote about it. He described a fruit with a green skin, a soft yellow inside, and a taste that was pleasant and delicate. He had never seen anything like it before. The Spanish brought the avocado back to Europe. They tried to grow it, But the avocado is a fruit that loves warm weather. It needs a gentle climate. Europe was often too cold, and the avocado did not grow well there. So for a long time, the avocado remained mostly in the Americas. It was known, but it was not famous. Sailors sometimes carried it on long sea voyages because it was